Hey friends and fans of OSG, my name is Alyssa O'Brien, Product Engineer with OSG USA. Today we're going to talk about hole dimensional issues related to drilling on a non-flat surface, like issues of oblong-shaped holes. Why does this happen? Let's take a look at a conventional drill drilling into an angled surface versus the OSG ADF drill. On the left side of your screen, you're seeing a conventional 140-degree point angle drill feeding into a part that's inclined at its surface. On the right, you see that same surface, but with the ADF flat bottom drill. Same speeds and feeds for both tools, and what do we see? We see that not only do the chips come out larger and longer with the conventional drill, which can be detrimental to the drill's survival, but the conventional drill has also allowed itself to be pushed off center farther than the ADF drill. Conventional drills with point angles less than 180 degrees will struggle more in angled surface drilling because the cutting forces at the point act more radially than those of the ADF flat bottom drill, meaning they push the drill side to side harder. In the case of the ADF drill, almost all cutting forces are acting axially and in line with the drill center line, minimizing that side to side pressure. The total forces acting on the conventional drill's point are more radial and therefore will aid in pushing the drill off center as soon as it makes contact with the workpiece. It is this deflection of the drill that can cause the resulting hole to be oblong versus truly circular. In angled surface drilling, not only can the hole quality suffer, but you sacrifice productivity too. In order to get the conventional drill to deflect less, you have to slow it down. The ADF drill allows you to maintain or improve your productivity in these situations. In this video, we're seeing that the same angled surface scenario we just looked at earlier, but at almost double the feed rate. The result is a broken heap of carbide made of the conventional drill. Due to the accelerated feed rate and the amount of deflection at the beginning, the conventional drill just could not maintain its integrity and snapped. OSG offers our customers a wide variety of flat drills to choose from, ranging in size from 0.2 millimeters all the way up to 20 millimeters in both inch and metric sizes, as well as in coolant and non-coolant through options. And we've even got some long length options. So, if your shop is suffering from tool breakages, poor hole quality, and low productivity due to uneven surfaces in your workpieces, give OSG's ADF and ADFO series a try. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at osgtool.com. And don't forget, you can connect with OSG on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. We've got more ADF flat bottom drills coming at you guys soon, so stay tuned. See you all next time.